ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Now we'll see some of the previous year's questions. See, so here I have written 1 mark questions, like this carries 1 mark, this carries 1 mark, this carries 1 mark. So in the March 2018 he has given this question. What is that question? Find the distance between the points 1,5, 5,8. It carries 1 mark. It's just application of the distance formula. So first one, let A point be 1,5, B point be 5,8. Distance formula, distance between these two, the formula we already seen. So that becomes x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. So distance between these 2 points, that is what he asked, distance between A and B. This is what I need to find. How much is the distance? So we need to apply this formula. So take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Substitute the values in this formula. That becomes, what is x2? 5 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus y2, what is that? 8 minus y1 is 5 whole square. That becomes 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 square is 16 plus 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 square is 9. So 16 plus 9 is how much? 25. Root 25 is how much? That becomes 5. So if you want to mention the units, you can mention it as 5 units. So the distance between these 2 points is 5. This is the 1 mark question he asked in the year 2018, March 2018. The same type of problem he asked in the year 2015, that is, find the distance between the points origin and A comma B. So this point we call it as origin. Now we will be doing that problem here. That is second one. Let suppose O is this and P is A comma B. Find the distance between the points this and this. We already seen the distance between the point and the origin. Formula is OP is equal to root over x square plus y square. This is the basic formula, the distance between the point and the origin. So just substitute. What is this? X, and what is this? Y. So distance between origin and this becomes root over x square. What is x? A, that is A square. What is y? Nothing but B. So B square. So that becomes the distance between the point and the origin. For this problem, the answer becomes root over A square plus B square. In the same way, he asked third question in the year 2017, March 2017 में ఏం అడిగాడు? A 0,3, B K,0 and AB is equal to 5 అంటే ఏంటి? The distance between these two is 5 units. Find the positive value of K. ఇప్పుడు distance ఇచ్చి K అడిగాడు. We will be doing that problem now. That is third one. See, given AB is equal to 5. So, AB is nothing but the distance between these two, that is root over is nothing but this distance between these two, means x 2 minus x 1 whole square, k minus 0 whole square plus y 2 minus y 1 whole square, 0 minus 3 whole square is how much? 5. Squaring on both sides. To cancel this root, I need to go with squaring on both sides. Square cheste emavutundana root over this is k minus 0 whole square is k square, 0 minus 3 whole square is 3 square whole square, squaring on both sides becomes like this 5 square. Square and root get cancels, that becomes k square plus 3 square is 9 is equal to 25. So, k square is equal to 25 minus 9 is 16. So, k is equal to plus or minus 4, but what he said positive value of k. So, what we need to consider? Only the positive value, that is k is equal to 4.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join.
Now, we will see the next question. Again, he asked this in the year June 2019. Show that the points A, B, C are collinear. As I told you, collinear means the points lying on the same line, same line. So, we can use two formulas, two conditions to prove that A, B, C are collinear. Either we need to show that the area of the triangle is 0, or we can show that the sum of these two distances is equal to third distance. Either condition we can use. The first condition is area of the triangle should be equal to 0, or sum of the two distances is equal to third distance. Either use cheyachunna manam. So, ikkadaithe distance formula, ikkadaithe area of the triangle formula. So, we will use area of the triangle formula, so that it will be easy for you. So, if the points are collinear, then area should be 0, This is what I need to show them, then only they are collinear. So, here A is 4, 2 given points, B is 7, 5, C is 9, 7. He has given these points. Area of the triangle formula I am writing. Area of the triangle A, B, C, let us suppose, that is half mod x 1 into y 2 minus y 3, as I told you just now. Next one is plus x 2 into y 3 minus y 1 plus x 3 into y 1 minus y 2. This is the formula. So, all the 3 points he has given, that is, let us suppose this is x 1 y 1, this is x 2 y 2, this is x 3 y 3. So, whatever the values we have, substitute in this formula, half mod x 1, what is x 1? 4 into y 2 minus y 3, what is y 2? 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7 plus x 2, what is x 2? 7, y 3 minus 7 minus 2 plus x 3, what is x 3? 9 into y 1 minus y 2, 2 minus 5. Just substituted all these values, now simplify, that becomes like this. What is 5 minus 7? Minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. Next, what is 7 minus 2? 5. 5 7s 35. Next, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Minus 3 into plus 9 becomes minus 27. So, that becomes half mod minus 8 minus 27 is minus 35. Minus 35 plus 35 becomes how much? 0. So, area of the triangle is 0 means these points, therefore, Therefore, the given points are collinear. So, this carries either 4 marks or else 1 mark. Sometimes it can give this for 2 marks as well. Now, coming to the next question. Again, this is previous year's question, carries 2 marks. How many marks? 2 marks. So, the question is like this: if the distance between the 2 points, this 8 comma x and x comma 8 is 2 root 2 units, then find the value of x. So, we need to find x. Again, this is based on the distance formula. So, we already know the distance between these 2 points a b is root over x 2 minus x 1 whole square plus y 2 minus y 1 whole square. So, here a is given as 8 comma x and b as x comma 8. So, as we know, this is x 1 y 1, this is x 2 y 2. Substitute in the formula and he has given this distance as 2 root 2. The distance between these two is 2 root 2. So, substitute here 2 root 2 equal to root over x 2. What is that x 2? X minus x 2 x minus 8 whole square plus y 2 minus y 1. Y 2 is 8 minus y 1 is whole square. Now, see here, is a minus b whole square is same as b minus a whole square? Yes, because if I take negative sign common, minus whole square becomes positive. So, a minus b whole square is same as b minus a whole square. So, here I can write this as 8 minus x whole square is same as x minus 8 whole square. So, this can be written as x minus 8 whole square plus x minus 8 whole square. Both are same. So, how many terms we have here? 2 into x minus 8 whole square. This square plus this square becomes how many? 2 times. So, here this becomes root 2. This becomes root is for 2, root is for this one. So, root over x minus 8 whole square becomes how much? Square and root get cancels, equal to how much? 2 root 2. So, on the left side and on the right side root 2 get cancels, remains with what? 2 is equal to root over x minus 8 whole square. So, here to cancel this square root, I can write this as x minus 8 has, directly I can cancel this, or else I need to put plus or minus 2, because I can get 2 values because of the square root. So, here the first case is x minus 8 is equal to 2 and the second case is x minus 8 equal to minus 2. Instead of cancelling this, I can write this as plus or minus 2, so that we can get 2 values. So, x becomes how much? 2 plus 8, that is 10, and x equal to minus 2 plus 8, that becomes x equal to 6. Therefore, the values of x are 6 or 10. That becomes the answer. This carries 2 marks. He has given based on the distance formula again. Once again, the distance between these two is 2 root 2 అని ఇచ్చాడు నాన్న. 2 root 2 ఇచ్చాడు. Distance between these two is 2 root 2. ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? x కనుక్కోవాలి. మనం జస్ట్ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం. 8 minus x whole square, x minus 8 whole square రెండు సేమే. రెండు సేమ్ కాబట్టి ఇలా రాసా. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 2 అంటున్నాం. 2 కాబట్టి 2 times of this. సో హియర్ రూట్ దేనికి దీనికి కూడా. సో, నేను క్యాన్సిల్ చేయలేదు ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ రూట్. ఎందుకు చేయలేదు అంటే 2 వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. రూట్ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ చేసాం. ఎందుకు 2 వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి కాబట్టి స్క్వేర్ రూట్ కదనన్నా వీ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్. ఏదర్ లోపల పాజిటివ్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 8 పాజిటివ్ కావచ్చు, నెగిటివ్ కావచ్చు. నెగిటివ్ వచ్చిన హోల్ స్క్వేర్ విల్ బికమ్ పాజిటివ్, పాజిటివ్ వచ్చిన హోల్ స్క్వేర్ విల్ బికమ్ పాజిటివ్. కాబట్టి ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 8 ఈక్వల్ టు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 2. కేస్ 1, once you take as plus 2, once you take as minus 2. So, we will be having 2 values, that is 6 or 10. Coming to the next question, carries 2 marks again, 2 marks, and which year he has given? March 2018 for 2 marks. The question is like this: in the diagram on a lunar eclipse, I suppose you know what is lunar eclipse. If the positions of the sun, earth and moon are shown by this point, sun, earth, moon are given by these points, then find the value of k. Lunar eclipse. So, what that means? Lunar eclipse means all the 3 are lying on the same line. Eclipse అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందన్న? lunar eclipse అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? అన్నీ ఒకే ఆర్డర్లో ఉంటాయి. దట్ ఈస్ sun, this is sun, let us suppose, this is earth, this is moon, all will be forming in a line. They will be forming in a line, means all the three will be on the same line. Same line ante enti? Collinear. Collinear ante em chupistamu? Area of the triangle will be 0. That is what the same problem we have done. So, this point he has given as, let us suppose this we denote as A, that is minus 4 comma 6, this is B, that is K minus 2, this is C, that is 5 comma minus 6. So, lunar eclipse kabatti all will be in the same line, therefore, they are said to be collinear. Collinear ante enti? So, here A, B, C are collinear. A, B, C ante evaru nanna? Sun, earth, moon are in a line. So, collinear. Collinear means area of the triangle will be 0. Area of the triangle formula telusu kada, half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 should be equal to 0. So, cross multiplication 2 goes to the right side, that becomes 0. Now, substituting x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 from the points, this is again x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. After substituting from here, we will be getting k value. Substitute here, that becomes 2 goes to the right side, that is cross multiplication. X1, what is x1? Minus 4. Y2, what is y2? Minus 2. What is y3? Y3 is minus 6, minus of minus 6 plus x2, what is x2? K into y3, what is y3? Minus 6 minus y1 6. ఎందుకు ఇలా రాసుకున్నాము? So that it will be easy and there should not be any confusion. తప్పులు చేయకుండా. Plus x3, x3 ఏంటి నన్న? 5 into y1, what is y1? 6 minus y2, what is y2? Minus 2, minus of minus 2, ఎంత వచ్చినది? 0. Now, simplify this. 6 minus 2 and the 4 into minus 4 becomes minus 16, minus 6 becomes minus 12 into k becomes minus 12k, and 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40 becomes 0. So, simplify this. 40 minus 16 is how much? 40 minus 16 is 24. 40 minus 16 is 24, minus 12k equal to 0. So, mod తీసేస్తే ఏమవుతుందన్న? We can put plus or minus 0. So, plus or minus 0, plus 0 అన్న ఒకటే, minus 0 అన్న ఒకటే. కాబట్టి 24 minus 12k equal to 0. So, 12k is equal to 24. So, k is equal to 24 by 12, that becomes k is equal to 2. That is the value of k. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నానన్న. సో సింపుల్, లైక్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేద్దామని ఇచ్చాడు అన్న. సన్, ఎర్త్, మూను ఎప్పుడు ఎక్లిప్స్లో ఉన్నప్పుడల్లా అవి ఒకే లైన్లో ఉంటాయి నాన్న. సో సన్ తర్వాత ఎర్త్ వస్తుంది, ఎర్త్ తర్వాత మూన్ వస్తుంది, దే విల్ బి ఫార్మింగ్ ఇన్ ఏ లైన్. సో లైన్ అన్నప్పుడు ఏంటి? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబీసీ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని చూపెట్టాలి. సో సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ ఇన్ దట్ ఫార్ములా వీ గోట్ కే వాల్యూ యాజ్ 2. దిస్ క్యారీస్ 2 marks when he has given in the March 2018. So, compulsory based on the distance formula we may get either for 1 mark or 2 marks. If it is area of the triangle directly, he can give for 4 marks. So, distance formula, area of the triangle formula are very much important.